Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll like and learn something in this video and that you will subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you will know when my videos first come out. Video, my grandchildren tasted my Minnesota Midget cantaloupes, and we're going to show you that too and some other stuff. All right, let's get started. We had a couple of bad thunderstorms over the last 2 weeks, and it really damaged my corn. And I shared this with you in my last video, but today I want to share with you that it was worse than what I first thought. So I'm just, giving you an update. But what I noticed today and what I really want you to see is some of the corn was spared. And I know that because it is now forming those little silky tassels. And if you didn't know, every single silky thread represents it's making a kernel of corn. And so over here you see the more tassels. So we're not going to get a lot of corn, but I'm thankful and I'll be grateful for whatever we get, because all of it could have been destroyed. Now that it's cooler, my Texas star hibiscus is trying to bloom again. You can see where they went to seed. And these are seed pods. I'm going to go sit down and I'm going to show you more about this.
Hey, it's me, Bria.
Okay, my grand angel Bria and I are back inside, and I just want to show her these red Texas star hibiscus seed pods and seeds. Okay, so this is what the pod looks like. Okay? And when it gets real dry, it'll burst open, or you can open it up yourself. And you see those little seeds, those tiny seeds right there, baby? Mm-hmm. Some of them drop down in the container that they were growing in, which is cool because I'm going to plant them anyway, late fall, early winter, because they have to stratify. Do you know what that means? Mm-hmm. They have to go through some cold temperatures, and then when it gets warmer, then they'll start growing the plants. And here's another one. You want to take this one loose for me? Keep it on the mat right here. Don't lose the seeds. How many seeds do you get?
I don't know, but there's
okay, that's a lot. Because, Bria, I found some very old seeds. I only got 3 of the seeds to germinate, and it made all those beautiful plants this spring and summer. So this is really cool.
It's going to be a lot of seeds this summer.
I'm going to plant more of them around the garden. You know why?
Why?
Because I make tea out of the flowers, and your dad and I, there's a little bug, let me get it. Your dad and I drink this tea almost every single day. I know your father drinks it every day. And he adds ginger and turmeric with his. I just drink the hibiscus tea now. So it's very healthy for you, okay? So the flowers are pretty, and I'm sure I'll pop some pictures in. But the tea is very good, and it's very easy to make. They turn your tea real red, and you get a lot of flavor. That's it. They get real flavorful when you let them dry out. Okay, so these are all dry. I'm gonna put these in a bag, and I'm gonna plant these right before we get a freeze. Did you learn something?
Yes.
What did you learn?
That from, I don't know what these are called.
Hibiscus seeds?
Oh, hibiscus seeds.
Pods, those little things?
Yeah. And you can crack them open, and then you can get some more seeds and plant them again.
And when do you plant the seeds?
In the winter.
Why? Because they have to be stratified. They have to go through some cold or hot temperatures. Which one? Cold or hot?
Cold.
Cold, freezing temps. So we got a lot of seeds. We're gonna have a lot of more beautiful plants this year. Well, next year. Okay, thanks, Bria.
Mm-hmm.
Here's an update on my dwarf cantaloupe that I started from seeds when it was 105 degrees.
Hey guys, this is Brian here, and today while my grandmother was out at the garden, she found this dwarf cantaloupe that fell off the vine. These cantaloupes only fall off the vine when they're ripe, so it might be a little small, but it's really sweet.
Thank you, Brian.
Hey guys, it's Bria here. and I just wanted to show you this cantaloupe because it's really sweet and juicy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
All right.
It's so good that Mom just taught me how to save seeds next year.
So we're just going to keep rinsing them off, guys, until we get that jelly type of coating, and then we're going to let them stay on this or a bowl similar to this, and then we're going to, after they dry, we'll put them up into an envelope. Thanks, Bria.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, Lady Cheryl here again. I want to share the seed starting mix. It's called Black Gold by Sungrow. And I got it off Amazon. It's normally $13. It was on sale for $6.99. That's 8 quarts. And it's all natural and organic. And when you see that OMRI, that means it is organic. And I'm starting more seeds. Because the last ones I put in those seed pea pellets, and they didn't do too well. We got temperatures in the low 90s. So I just want to let you all know that in this video, you can get this on sale for $6.99 for 8 quarts. All right. I had a good idea this morning. I had to go back in the house to get my phone so I can videotape it. I want you to see this okra roll that I made at the last minute in July. I decided, since I have weed barrier down here, I'm going to lay some concrete pavers, just like the ones over here. Yeah, and then I went and got my phone and decided I'll go ahead and videotape it and just show you. Sometimes you just be inspired, the Lord will put it on your heart what to do. So my assignment is to finish getting all this done. I won't have to trim around this side because the patio, as you can see right there, my daughter and son-in-law have pavers right there. So I just need to round up a few more bricks I wasn't using, and I'll knock this out and I'll come back. Okay, I'm done. Is it perfect? No. But nothing is always perfect, but it looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna walk down and show you. And I was able to even put a roll right here next to the gardening bench. And while I'm showing you this gardening bench, let me show you this. These 3 containers, I grew my Asiatic lilies in them. The bulbs that I planted during the winter. And I'm gonna pop in some pictures of these 3. Then all of a sudden, these little plants came up. And when you grow by seeds, you'll recognize what it is. This is Mexican petunia. And you can see this container and this container grew very well. And you can see now it's getting ready to put on flowers. I'm going to insert a picture of what the Mexican petunias look like, and then I'll take you over to the portion of the garden where they're blooming really well right now. When the Mexican petunias die back, because they will die back when we get the first freeze, I'm still going to let them continue to grow with the Asiatic lilies when they come up in the spring. Those plants were on this row where you can see a beautiful view of them. And when the Mexican petunias, let me go closer and so you can see those beautiful purple flowers. And there are a few pink ones that come up as well. When those seeds fell down, the wind blew them over here where the containers were. And then when I saw the Asiatic lilies dying back, I moved them. Then all of a sudden, those plants start coming up. Same thing here. This is a Mexican petunia. Some people treat them as weeds. I don't, because they bring a lot of butterflies and bees to my yard. So I just wanted to share that with you. You never know what you're going to find or discover in gardening. I love it. I want to say thank you for watching. You know I love you and God loves you too. Bye now.